Whether you're in an XD1500 Northstar Ultimate vehicle with the Trail Pro 2000 audio factory installed, or you've installed our Trail Pro 2000 kit as an accessory, the next choice is going to be the Trail Pro 4200 upgrade. The JBL 4200 audio kit for XD1500 comes with 2 subwoofers and 2 roof speakers. So a couple neat things about this kit: the subwoofers are actually tucked behind the driver's seat. They are 2 shallow mount 8-inch subwoofers, so you do not have to sacrifice any storage space in this vehicle to add your subwoofers and get some really nice bass in your sound system. The other thing I wanted to call out: these roof speakers are pre-wired in every XD1500, so those are truly a plug-and-play setup. You'll trim the roof liner to accommodate those speakers and it is ready to rock. This XD1500 is a Northstar Premium. The Northstar Ultimate trims of this vehicle actually come with the ride command screen and the audio factory installed in the dash. So one thing we want to talk about here is the difference between these two systems. If you buy a Northstar Premium, this head unit actually replaces your factory cup holders. So it comes with a 4x25 watt amp internally to power the audio system in your dash. In the 1500, there are 6.5-inch speakers down low and actually 3/4-inch tweeters up high. So it really gives a nice rounded out sound stage even with just the dash audio installed. One thing to call out here on this head unit is you're actually going to get the ability to choose between Bluetooth, weather band, AM, and FM radio. And you also have the ability to navigate here to an equalizer, a balance and fade setting, and some interesting preset equalizer settings depending on the type of music you're listening to.